Round Rock Donuts is very famous, so I had to come check it out. It's a little bit rainy outside, so I went through the drive-thru, and Buddy and I are gonna head straight home. It started raining pretty hard, so it made filming in the car a lot difficult. So here is a Texas-sized donut, which I'm really excited to try. I also picked up some other few things that we're going to try as well. So let's get into it. I got a few things, but the one thing I really wanted to try was their Texas-sized donut. This is still kind of warm, so I'm just gonna dig right on it. Oh yeah. It's a really nice yeast donut. It just kind of dissolves right in your mouth as soon as you start chewing it. The chocolate frosting is pretty awesome. Just really soft and airy. It's delicious. I also got their regular glazed donut. They got really nice and soft. All right, let's bite into this. Oh, that is super airy. Look at it. It's so soft that it just stays shut. This is what every donut wants to be when it grows up. This donut shop is worth the drive to get to. So if you're in the Austin area, go to Round Rock. I think they have another location. I'm not sure. I think Cedar Park or something like that. But yeah, look them up on Instagram. They're not paying me to do this. My sister told me this is a pretty famous shop, and a couple of my friends down here in Austin said it's a pretty famous shop. Look at that. This is a really nice donut. I prefer this over Krispy Kreme any day. Oh, it's super soft and chewy. I saw that they also have kolaches on their menu, so I got I think this was a cherry kolache. Here we go. Very nice and soft and rich dough. Like, the texture is like a chewy brioche. I really like it. It's really good. Also got a savory kolache. This is their spicy sausage. So again, the bread is like nice and soft. It's like a little bit more firm than a dinner roll. I want to say it's like a cross between a dinner roll and a French bread mixed with the texture of a brioche. So let's bite into it. This sausage has a nice snap to it. I think this one's my favorite. That was Round Rock Donuts. They've been around since 1926. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode and on this journey for a Texas-sized donut. Some awesome donuts in general. It's sweet kolache and savory kolaches. Take care of yourselves, and as always, peace.